Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel. So I'm going to be showing you how I transformed this wig from this texture to these beautiful curls using perm rods. So this is the hair we're working with, and if you guys have been keeping up with me, this is the hair that I was actually turning those roots from burgundy to black. So I just split the closure from the rest of the hair, and I'm going in with the Hawaiian silk and the olive oil mousse. It's the same thing that I used in the previous video, and I'm using the same method. The only thing that's different is I'm using perm rods in here, and I used flexi rods in the previous video. So these are the perm rods that I'm going to be using, and I'm going to be using 3 packs, and I also have an old pack of perm rods that I might be using in case I run out. So I did put some Hawaiian silk in my little red bottle because that's the only little empty spray bottle that I have available, and I added some water, and that's what I'm using first, and then the mousse, and then I'm brushing it all out, and then I'm starting to curl the hair around the perm rods. So I'm going to be doing this all around the hair, and you guys will be able to see this. It's very easy to do. All you have to do is curl the hair and keep twisting it as you are curling it around the rod, and that's how you're going to get those nice tight curls. So as you can see, guys, I already started to mix in those white perm rods because I knew I was going to run out. So I wanted to make sure that every part of this hair had a perm rod curled around it. This hair is a lot. It is 3 bundles of deep wave. So it was a lot of hair, and I knew that I was going to need some extra rods, perm rods for this particular style. So now I'm just going to let you guys watch and see me repeat the process over and over, and just see how I'm going to be able to fit all those rods onto this hair. So we're heading towards the end of me finishing up placing these rods. And I'm at the end of the frontal and I'm just placing my last rod there. So now after I'm done, I'm going to take the Hawaiian silk and water mixture and just spray around the hair. And I'm going to let it air dry for a day or two, and then we'll be back. So I did leave this hair on longer than I should have. I left it for, I think, a whole week. I had no time to film and just remove these rods. I was working all week. So I finally had the time to do it this past weekend. And now we're just taking those rods out, and look at how beautiful those curls look. And they just turned out to be as beautiful as I imagined them to be. So I'm going to remove all these and then we're going to get down to styling. So what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be getting a comb. I'll try to comb them out as lightly as I can. And then I'm going to just split the ones that are on top so that I can have a little bit of some firm curls at the top of the hair and then a little bit looser as the hair runs down. So we'll be taking my Sebastian spray and a wide tooth comb, and I'm going to be going in curl by curl at the back of the hair. And as I go upwards, I'm just going to split them with my hands and not even comb them, because that is a style we're going for with this look. And next, I'm just going in with some Biosilk oil and I'm just going to apply that on the curls. And then I'm going in with a hot comb and I'm just going to comb through so I can lay the hair flat by the closure. So I went in again with a hot comb just to make sure I had a little bit of volume in the front, and this is what it turned out to be. I am in love with these curls. I'm in love with how the whole unit turned out with these perm rods. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and I hope you guys like these curls as much as I do. For me, it's goodbye and see you in my next video.